Wednesday of summer. Well, one more fun days until August. Well, except for my Dorpy Sender. I like this guy. He always go to my riding over town, traveling for his family for they go on vacations. I really like this.
Cowcatcher, I tell you about the Kikafacom thing fails processing.
What?
I was thinking about my rat fails spawn and calling up my bank. I want to see who's the meanest. Is it Oberlin or is it Nick? He was staring.
Maybe Nick Carter was the meanest one from Orland.